Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new topic, indices and cube root. This is a very important topic. Using indices we can write a large number as well as a small number in terms of indices. Watch the video carefully and up to end. In this topic, we discuss about laws of indices and how to write down the roots in terms of indices. Laws of indices. If m and n are the integers, then first law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here base a is same. Second, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Third one, in bracket a into b, bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Before going to fourth, here a raised to m divided by a raised to m. That means a raised to m minus m becomes a raised to 0. A raised to m divided by a raised to m, we write in division form. In numerator a raised to m, denominator a raised to m. Numerator and denominators are same, therefore answer is 1. From this, we write down a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Fifth one, a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Sixth one, a raised a upon b bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. Seventh one, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Now, how it comes? So, for this, we take one example. A raised to 4 divided by a raised to 6 is equal to a raised to 4 minus 6 is equal to a raised to minus 2. According to this law, a raised to 4 divided by a raised to 6 is equal to a into a into a into a to a 4 times. In denominator, a into a 6 times. In the numerator, there are 4 times a. In denominator, there are 4 times 6 times a. 4 times a cancels. So, in denominator, a into a remains. That is 1 upon a square. Means a raised to, here left hand sides are equal. Therefore, right hand sides are also equal. Here a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to 2. That is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Here, similarly, a upon b bracket raised to minus m is equal to b upon a bracket raised to m. You write down all these laws in your notebook. Meaning of numbers with rational indices. Meaning of the numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. To show the square of a number, the index is written as a 2. To show the square root of a number, the index is written as 1 upon 2. For example, square root of 36 is written as square root of 36 using the radical sign. This is a radical sign. Using this, we write in this way. Using the index, square root of 36 is written as 36 raised to 1 upon 2. Therefore, square root of 36 is equal to 36 raised to 1 upon 2. In general, square of a is equal to a square and square root of a is written as a raised to 1 upon 2. Therefore, square root of a is written in this way. Square root of a is equal to square root of a is equal to a raised to 1 upon 2. This all means the same, that is square root of a. But write in different way using the radical sign or index. Cube of a is a cube and cube root of a is written as a raised to 1 upon 3. Therefore, cube root of a is equal to a raised to 1 upon 3. Nth power of a is equal to a raised to n and nth root of a is written as a raised to 1 upon n. Therefore, nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 upon n. Student, write down all these points in your notebook. In our next lecture, we start problems depend upon the rational indices. We stop here only. Thank you for watching the video carefully.